Good afternoon. I'm Weather Watch 12 meteorologist Jeremy Nelson with a quick severe weather update. We do have a tornado watch across southeast Wisconsin. That goes until 6 p.m. this evening. We are on weather watch as what will be a wild week of weather conditions across the area. The first with almost more of a spring-like setup across our region. We have this tornado watch in effect for southeast Wisconsin. Almost our entire viewing area does include Milwaukee, Waukesha, Racine, Kenosha, and over towards Janesville. On the Doppler 12 radar network right now, just a couple of gentler showers in our region right now. We had one round of non-severe thunderstorms move through earlier this morning. What we're watching is down to the southwest of Madison, west and southwest of Rockford. Those are thunderstorms that will intensify as they race northeast this afternoon. The tornado watch is in effect, but we could see anything from gusty winds, small hail, and isolated tornadoes across our area. A quick look down right into Metro Milwaukee right now and within the watch area. Not much going on. A couple sprinkles or light showers up around Beaver Dam, but nothing right now in Milwaukee. I think our time window to see at least the potential for severe weather across our viewing area between 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. And yes, that is right during the heart of the evening commute. I mentioned this is going to be just a wild week of weather. First, our spring setup here. Temperatures will be close to 60 degrees this afternoon, already in the 70s in Illinois, and temperatures are in the teens in Minnesota. The cold air is going to rush in here. We'll tell you when that arrives, have an update on the severe weather all afternoon long. Keep it with Weather Watch 12.